Hello friends, so today I will make unboxing for this multi-purpose coffee and spice grinder from Icon. It is IK8802. So let's begin. So first of all, as you see, this is the box. Okay, they said this is like stainless steel, easy to use, a handy handy cord storage. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, first of all, it came with manual, the information about the product itself, and warranty 1 year. So this is the product itself. Here, as you see, the on and off button. This is the cover, okay, and stainless steel from inside and outside, and this is the blade, okay, as you see, and this is the cord, okay. Okay, and here is the unit. Okay, this is the unit here, stainless steel also. From down is storage for the cord, as you see, and have like a thingy to be stable. Okay, so let's review. So here I will put this one حبة البركة, some seeds. Okay, I will put 3 tablespoons. Okay, I don't need too much. Okay, now I will cover it very well. Okay, I will put the cord here. I will open it and Bismillah. So for now it's easy, and only press the button, and very easy. Okay, and I will see the result now. Yes, as you see. Okay, very nice, grated. So as you see, very nice, grated and grinded, sorry. And yeah, I recommend it from Icon. Okay, anything from Icon I recommend it, very nice. So that's for today. Hope you like it, hope you enjoy. Be happy, be smile, be beautiful from inside. Until another video, stay home, stay safe, bye.